So Jerry with McKellar's Modified Rides. Today we're working on some A-body leaf springs. I'm going to shine some light on some of the differences and options out there. I've got three in front of us today to go over. The first one is this front one here. It's a Hotchkiss system. It's advertised to lower it 1 inch from the factory ride height. It's a very nice setup. I found that it didn't actually lower it from the original Warren spring 1 inch. I got about half of an inch, but I think over time as you drive the car and they settle and relax, that you're going to get that full 1 inch. The part number for that is 24385. It's nice. It comes as a set. You get everything with it: the U-bolts, the front hangers, the polyurethane bushings at the rear shackle. It's a whole system, so it kind of makes it nice. The front hangers, though, do not come with studs. You use bolts instead. Another interesting thing is they center the hanger in there, the bolt in the center of the hanger, which is kind of nice, I guess, in some ways, because you may take some other options aftermarket or customize something. You can maybe raise or lower it with a different kind of hanger if need be. One thing unique about this one, though, that hanger, the bolt that holds through the eyelet is a 1/2 inch bolt, where originally you had a 9/16 bolt on the factory one. So, you know, that hanger, the factory hanger, would have a bigger hole than this Hotchkiss one. But other than that, I find it's a good system. I think if you're wanting to lower your vehicle down, you want a nice ride, I think it's possibly the way to go. The center spring here is just an original Warren spring out of a factory A-body. The hanger itself there, it takes a 9/16 bolt that we talked about. Just in case anybody's wondering if you could actually flip the hanger over, that's not really possible because the top two studs are closer together than the bottom two studs. So if you flipped it, they wouldn't go through the holes unless you do some customizing and make it work for you. But of course, these all need some attention and do something with them, get them reworked or reused or something like that. But I personally like to go with the Mopar Performance one. I think it's a good option. It mimics the original quite a bit. They're actually the Mopar Performance Heavy Duty, which gives you these segments on the bottom. This particular one is the left side, so it shoots that segment to the rear of the car, and then the one for the right side would put the segment to the front of the car. Part numbers P3412002 and P312003. So you buy them separately, left and right. You know, you can run your stock original hanger with it. You just have to drill that hole out to the 5/8 diameter. I find that these sit the rear end back from the body a little bit better, so it gives you a little better tire clearance in the front of your body if that's a problem. I like to run them with the AR Engineering front hangers because they have the right 5/8 bolt to accept it. The only thing is you know, you have two hole options, which makes it nice. So you can put it in the stock location if you're using the bottom hole, or you can put it in the top hole, and that should lower it about 1.5 inches. Those are sold individually. The Mopar Performance ones, you do not get the bushings for the back. You have to buy everything separately. You just basically buy each individual spring with the front bushing. That's what comes with them. So it's just kind of a preference thing, whatever you like. If I can be of any help to shine any more light on this, just give me a call here. I appreciate it. Thanks.